For this week's showcase, Set the Mood, we grabbed our new educational kit board, the analog board, to demonstrate to you how to use sliders and knobs to adjust a lighting project. In our example, we use the knob, as you would a volume knob, to turn up the brightness. We also allow the slider to be used to change the color. Moving slowly will adjust through the spectrum of all the colors. And all the way at the far end is a sort of fireplace mode that is actually great in a real unused fireplace. Sydney was able to easily display her mood using the display at work, which helped her co-worker and husband, Chad, to avoid delivering what would have surely been a poorly timed work joke. This same concept can be applied to adjustable custom accent lighting. The photocell allows us to determine the brightness of the sensor's surroundings. If we turn the knob all the way down, the unit goes into nightlight mode. Quiet is so fascinating. Be sure to check out this week's tutorial on using the analog board so you can control your next project with ease. And until next week, happy hacking.